So hello friends, welcome back to channel. We have learned about creating a disk, attaching, mounting, unmounting, format, putting in a permanent, putting as a temporary. But as you know, everything in a Linux is somewhere written in a disk. Okay, so some are temporary files, some are permanent files. So cat/etc fstab is a permanent file where we are putting the entry. But if I remove entry, like we have taken a backup, so let me move the backup /etc fstab hyphen this to /etc fstab. Okay, yes, I want to overwrite cat/etc fstab. So entry of /sdb5 and sdb6 is gone. Okay, let me log in again this system. But if you see df-h, still STB5 and STB6 is connected. Even though if I do a mount-a, it will not get unmount because what mount-a is doing, reloading the fstab file. Okay, but that will not unmount this thing. Whatever is already mounted will mount it. Whatever is missing, that will get mounted. Now the mount, the df-h command able to read SDB5 and SDB6 from where system is getting that information. That information is coming from /etc mtab. We have learned about the fs tab. Now we'll learn about mtab, memory table. Okay, this is a bit different. Okay, but you will see the entry SDB5, what to mount, where to mount, XFS. These are the attributes. Okay, options. Then dump and pass. Okay, so that's how a system is able to read these things from that location. /dev sdb6, what to mount, where to mount, file systems, the options, and dump pass. Okay, we'll show the example. Like df-h is mounted here. Let me unmount this thing. Okay, you mount, unmount, and name. Okay, df-h is gone. fs tab is already not having entry. Now we'll go to /etc mtab memory tab file. Okay, see, sdb entry got removed. Correct. If I unmount 5 also and read fs tab mtab 5 entry also gone. So whatever you are mounting using a mount command, it is getting written in /etc mtab memory table. Okay, these are all the systems we are able to see. Okay, which is related to application, related to OS, rootfs, sys, proc. These are all the temporary file system that we are having here. Okay, even though you will make some entry in fstab, then and also it will show in mtab file, but this is in memory. Once system boots up, it will get flush. Okay, system will mount all the files from the fstab and make the file entries in mtab. Okay, so there are two files, fstab for permanent entry, okay, and mtab for temporary entry. You don't have to make any entry in mtab. You just use mount command, mount /dev sdb5 /disk mount point name. Okay, df-h mount point will come here because whenever you are running mount command, it's making entry in mtab, and df-h command is reading entries from the mtab file. lsblk also doing the same thing. See, sdb6 is not mounted currently, but 5 is mounted showing here. It is reading an entry from the mtab file. So interviewer will ask you this question: what's the difference between mtab and fstab? So you can say, if you want a file system to be permanently available post restart or shutdown, you have to make an entry in fstab file, that is permanent entry. mtab is containing the currently mounted file system entries. If you are running a mount command, it is getting read from the mtab file. Okay. If you are running df-h, it is reading the mtab file. If you are running lsblk, it is fetching a data from mtab file. So mtab is just in memory. After restart, it will get flushed off. fstab is a permanent entry. You can make it. So post reboot, system will read fstab file and add those enough OS. Okay, mount those mount points. So that's all for today's video. Hope you understand this thing. If you are still having some question, put in a comment box. I will try to answer your question. Practice this. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.